Best free tools for graphic design in 2026. Want to become a graphic designer but don't want to spend money on expensive software? In 2026, there are powerful free tools that can help you create professional designs, edit photos, make illustrations, and build your creative portfolio. Today, we'll explore the best free graphic design tools in 2026 that every beginner and professional designer should know. 1. Canva. Easy design for everyone. First on the list is Canva. It is one of the most popular free design platforms for creating social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, posters, and marketing designs. With thousands of templates, fonts, and free elements, Canva makes designing simple, even if you are a beginner. 2. Adobe Express. Quick professional designs. Next is Adobe Express. It brings the power of Adobe into a simple free tool. You can create stunning graphics, remove backgrounds, edit images, and make social media content quickly. It's perfect for creators who want professional results without complicated software. 3. Figma. UI/UX design. Powerhouse. For website and app designers, Figma is one of the best free tools available. You can design interfaces, create prototypes, and collaborate with other designers in real time. Many professional design teams use Figma for modern digital projects. 4. GIMP. Free Photoshop alternative. If you need advanced photo editing, GIMP is a powerful free alternative to Photoshop. It offers layers, filters, brushes, and professional editing features. From photo manipulation to digital artwork, GIMP can handle many creative tasks. 5. Inkscape. Free vector design tool. For logos, icons, and illustrations, Inkscape is an excellent choice. It works with vector graphics, meaning your designs stay sharp at any size. It's a great tool for beginners learning logo design and illustration. 6. Photopea. Photoshop online alternative. Don't want to install software? Try Photopea. This browser-based editor looks similar to Photoshop and supports many file formats. You can edit PSD files, create designs, and work from almost any device. 7. Blender. 3D design and animation. For designers interested in 3D graphics, Blender is completely free and extremely powerful. You can create 3D models, animations, motion graphics, and visual effects. So, these are the best free graphic design tools in 2026. Whether you are a beginner, freelancer, or professional, these tools can help you turn your ideas into amazing designs. Which tool is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.